Using Revolut in Europe is incredibly straightforward. Today I'll walk you through the process. Here are some handy tips for utilizing Revolut while traveling in Europe. Firstly, ensure your identity is verified in the personal details section of your Revolut account. Then, order a physical card in advance for card-present payments and cash withdrawals. When topping up your account, consider using a bank transfer for loading larger amounts of money efficiently. Opt to be billed in the local currency to avoid extra exchange rates applied by merchants or ATM providers. Keep in mind that currency conversions are subject to fair usage limits and weekend markups. It's essential to monitor your transactions closely, track your spending, and utilize the budgeting features within the app to manage your finances effectively. Take advantage of Revolut's security features, such as the ability to freeze/unfreeze your card, set spending limits, and receive instant transaction alerts. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, Revolut provides customer support through the app.